Go, Camila, go, Camila. Right there, Camila. Don't go any further than that. Right there.
Good pressure, Teal.
Go, 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 go!
Lauren.
Go. Oh. Knee down, knee down.
Who got hurt?
Go, Camila, go, Camila! Go, Camila, go! Camila, don't just kick it, you need to drive it, baby! Go, Aubrey! Aubrey, go!
Good job, Teal. Great job, Teal. Short. Oh, nice try, Teal. Good try.
Put it on the line and kick it! Taylor, go that side. Go that way. That way. Call Haley. Call Haley. Raise your hand. Call Haley. Go for Ariana. Big kick. Jenny.
Lauren, move up, please.
Just go for the middle. Camila, go. Big kick.
You did a great job kicking that ball up.
Big kick to Camila, go.
Come on, move up. The ball is so far back there, you can be up. You don't want to get them run all the way up and take... Lauren,
Great job,
you don't want them to run all the way back and take a shot, so you want to be up.
Keep up the pressure, come on.
Hurry to Taylor. Taylor, hurry up. Taylor. Taylor, don't go so far. Too far.
Lauren, I can't hear you. What are you telling me?
Aubrey, go to Aubrey, hurry. Big kick. Go, Aubrey.
Good job, Tanisha. Come on, Teal. Be a fight.
Go, Taylor, go.
Get the ball.
Go, Taylor.
Nice
Good
pressure.
stop, Catherine.
Nice pressure, Green.
Too close together.
Go, Kumi, go.
Ladies, you see if they were a little better spread apart, they'd be easier for them to get the ball. Kritika, you see? Right? Our team is very, very close together. If they were spread out, there'd be more opportunities to pass.
Put on the line. Taylor, go in that corner. Ariana, get away from Taylor. Go in the middle. Go in the middle.
Olivia, move up and move center.
Ariana. There you go. Go. Go, Camila. Go, Camila.
It's yours, Lauren. Go. Lauren, go. Go.
Good defense. Good defense.
Hi, Mom. I'm coaching a soccer game.
Good defense, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Yes, thank you so much.
Good job, Teal.
Henry, go over there and help. Go on that side of the field.
Right, okay. Yeah, okay.
Camila, go help. You're forward. Go up in the middle.
Okay.
Great job.
Good job.
Great job, defense. Good job, goalie.
Bye.
Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, nice start.
Go, Jaden, go. Don't just kick it. Drive, Taylor. Drive.
Good job, Tia.
Oh,
The ball, come on.
This should be come on.
What happened?
I think she probably twisted her leg.
Stay right there, Camila.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's fun.
So is that the camera to film it or to
It's
take pictures?
it's actually a
Yeah, play by
GoPro.
Haley.
It's a really old one.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Danny,
so
play by Haley.
it just
But
works well.
It's just amazing that they're so small, but they do so much, right?
Yeah, it is pretty fun.
Go, Camila.
It's pretty fun. Yeah.
Tanisha,
Your team's
run
doing
back.
quite well. They're good. It's a well-matched game. I think. They're playing.
Good defense.
Cover up, cover up.
They're playing smart. They're
Keep
playing.
going, keep driving.
Yeah.
Don't just
Good
kick it.
pressure,
Drive.
Teal.
they-
Good pressure. Great
Drive.
pressure.
Saratoga?
Drive,
This is West San Jose here.
Aubrey.
What's your name?
Jorge.
Eric. Nice to meet you.
Eric. Yeah, I love this.
Go,
man.
Tanisha.
Yeah, it's great. Thanks for
Good
driving
kick,
up
good
for
kick,
the
good
game.
luck.
Man. Thank you, Jorge. Yeah.
And we got a clear
First
shot.
shot forward.
Keep it up. Drive it, Taylor, drive it.
Good pressure, Teal. Keep up the pressure. Good job.
Kick it up, Mia. Kick it out of there. Kick it out of there. Good. Teal throw in. Go for it. Yeah. Get ready. Get the ball in your hand. Get your hand.
Yeah. Good job, Teal.
Awesome teamwork. Come on, that's awesome.
Haley, use your hand. It's okay, girls. Get back, girls. It's okay. Haley,
Pressure.
use your hand.
Good pressure, Teal. Good
Come
job.
on. Good job, girls. Let's get back. Camila, move up on this side over here. Hurry up, run. Go, Mia. Come on, Camila.
Finally being the best team, dude, and keeping tight. Some of the goals. I didn't see 2 goals at this point, and I'm doing hella hard on them. They were over there in the first half. Yeah. What are we doing? What is it? Very good. Very good. I like it. This referee came over here so as to move on.
Girls, wait down. Let's go. Camila, go get the pass.
He didn't even see anything. And it was
Go, Aubrey. Right there.
Go, Teal.
Go, Camila. Come on, girl. Get the ball, Aubrey. Go, Aubrey. Go, Aubrey. Aubrey, go. Go, Aubrey.
Clear it, Teal.
Aubrey,
Nice defense.
Aubrey, don't stop. Go back.
Jada, drive it.
Good defense, Teal.
Lauren,
Help him out.
good job. Well done, Lauren. Well done, Lauren.
Pressure, Sia. Good job.
Well done, Lauren.
Well done. Why are you
Go,
stopping?
go.
I mean, why are you stopping?
All right.
Good pressure, Teal.
Aubrey, get back, baby. Come on, get the ball.
Girls, keep the green in front of you, girls. The game's tied up. Let's go.
Come on, girls. Let's go stop first.
She's limping.
Get that
Come
fire
here, cover
back.
green.
Eric.
Which
Cover
one?
the girl behind you. Look, that's your girl.
Jasmita?
Get that fire, girls.
Jasmita, are you okay? Tell the ref. Jasmita, tell the ref.
Girls, keep green in front of you. Stop talking. Cover green. Pay attention. Go kick. Kumi, go on that side. Go on that side.
Get the ball quick. Get it out there, quick.
Hurry up, Haley. Go to Kumi. Hurry.
Pronto, Haley. Come on, yeah. Haley, go.
Go.
Good pressure, Green.
Haley,
Keep up the pressure.
go. Are you waiting?
Good kick.
Haley, don't take so long.
You don't have to wait.
Lauren, if you want, you can come up into this space.
Girls, keep it green in front of you.
Haley,
Aubrey,
come on.
cover green.
Wake up. Go, Aubrey, go, Aubrey, go, Aubrey, go, Aubrey. Go, Aubrey, go, Aubrey, go, Aubrey. Go, Aubrey, go, Kimmy.
Well done, Lauren. Stay on it. Nicely done, Lauren.
Don't wait, Green. Good job.
Nicely done. That was good support by Lauren. Well done.
Good job, Teal.
Well done. Well done.
Good
Well
job,
done,
defense.
Lauren. Well done, Olivia. Well done, Olivia. Well done, Lauren.
Aubrey, get down there. Good job. After the ball.
2 minutes.
All right.
Kritika,
Come here.
Yumna.
After the ball, baby. Come on. Aubrey! Aubrey!
So Jasmita's coming out
Get the ball,
and
Aubrey!
Avika's coming out.
What position are they?
Avika's defense.
I'm gonna play defense. Can I wait? Then what's just me go?
You can both be
Go,
defense
Camila,
if you
go,
want.
Camila,
You
good
both-
job.
Yeah,
Go,
I'm gonna play
Camila.
forward.
You want to be
Go,
forward?
Sia.
Can
Take it.
Camila was forward. Yeah, just me.
Go get her,
So
Jenny.
who wants to be forward and who wants to be
I'll be
defense?
forward.
Go, Jennifer!
Okay, so you're going to take
Yeah, shoot.
Avika's. You're going to take. Oh, wait a minute.
No.
They're both. They're
Big
both.
kick! Big kick!
Sorry.
Big kick!
Go.
They're
Big
both.
kick!
They're both mid or forward.
No,
So-
just me. That's forward.
Just a second. Jasmita, I think, is right mid.
All right. Good job, Teal.
Right mid. Right mid.
Great job,
Haley!
I'll take that one.
Okay, so you'll be right mid.
Good
You got to
pressure,
run.
Teal.
After you kick the ball, you got to follow it up.
Haley!
If you were the person closest, you have to go. To
Haley!
it. Just go to it right away. You got me? You hear what I said, Kritika?
Yeah, but
I like. Go ahead.
I want to play defense.
Oh, you did fine. You had 2 shots on goal.
Let's go.
I really like that you took the shots.
Camila, go in your spot.
I really
Go.
like it. When you guys work and you
here.
move to the ball, you are awesome. When you get to the ball, you are awesome. When you push to the ball, you're awesome.
So what am
You're going to be...
What's
Jasmita, you're coming out, okay?
I? Wait, what's just me though?
Jasmita, what were you? What position were you?
Great job, girls.
Coach,
Great
can I
pressure.
have
Forward right. You really want to be out? You sure?
I like it.
Okay, come on out.
That's not gonna go, man. What happened?
What position were you?
That's not right.
Right mid?
Can
Okay.
I be right mid?
Good
Team
pressure.
worked too
Good
hard for you to
pressure.
do that.
Can I be right mid?
Yeah, you're right mid. And you
Right.
would took Jasmita's
Haley,
position,
that's
right?
not
Wait,
right.
what was?
No,
That's
I'm
not
taking
right.
Jasmita's position.
So I'm sorry. Hey,
No, that's not right.
Janae, what
though.
position were you?
It doesn't seem like you care because your team works too hard.
Wait, they were both right mid? Jasmina, what?
No, right forward.
So you're right forward? Do you want right forward or right mid?
Jasmine, are you out now?
Okay, you have to run the whole time.
No.
Okay, you want to right mid?
No.
You want to be defense? Okay, you're on defense. I'll figure out
Can
who's
I stay
going.
forward?
Yeah, you stay forward. So your defense, you're going to be right mid or right forward? So mid. Okay, right mid. Olivia, you are going to be forward. Wait, who is forward?
I was forward. Me, just Misa and Catherine.
Jasmina, you were right forward?
I was left. Catherine was middle.
You're right forward now, Olivia. Okay? Olivia, you did a great job on defense. Lauren, you did a fantastic job on defense.
How much did the other team score? One.
So it's tied. It's 1-1.
Wait, what? It's 1-2. We scored one, then we scored nothing.
Oh, so
1-2.
2-1. Okay.
2-1, we're winning.
You did great on defense.
going out?
You did great on defense, okay?
I'm not going out. Good. I can't do a game without you. Don't cry.
Okay, ladies, again, look for the pass. Go for the ball. You're closest to it. You got to go for it.
Yeah.
Push, push, push. You want to be super tired, so you're like super tired at the end of this,
I
okay?
fell asleep on Friday in the middle match.
Did you really?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
I only got 3 hours sleep.
But you never stop running, do you? Give me 5. Okay, go.